So my neighbor told me about this thing called the gelatin trick, and at first I was like, what's the difference between gelatin and collagen, right? I mean, aren't they basically the same thing? But then I started digging in, and it turns out, they're not interchangeable terms. Gelatin is what you get when you break down collagen, and that's where the gelatin trick comes in. It's all about using gelatin to get the benefits of collagen in a more accessible way. I was talking to a friend who's really into skincare, and she was saying how she spends a fortune on collagen supplements. But when I told her about the gelatin trick, she was intrigued. The idea is that by incorporating gelatin into your daily routine, you can start to see improvements in your skin, hair, and even your joints. It's not about replacing a collagen routine entirely, but more about finding a simpler, more affordable way to get similar benefits. The gelatin trick is all about tapping into the power of gelatin to boost your overall wellness. If you want to learn more about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily life, check out the link in my description for a deeper dive into the process. And if you have any questions, hop over to the pinned comment where I've shared some additional tips and resources to get you started with the gelatin trick.